Hello and welcome to this new video on how to block code Reddit. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a source bar. Click on the source bar and type Reddit, and you just have to press enter in the Reddit, and the Reddit interface will be opened. And when you are inside the Reddit interface, you just have to look in the top right corner. There is an plus sign and a create text. You just have to click on that button, and the post section will appear right in front of you. And this is a section where you can enter the title, and here you can enter your body, and you can customize the body with bold, italic, and it is all in the top bar. And when you scroll down little in the top bar, there is a double quotation mark, and when you hover around it, it says code block, and you can just press on it and the code block will be activated. So this is how you can code block on Reddit. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.